Showing you, I'm building a rack right now. I'm going with this 27-liter, 7-gallon tub I got from Lowe's. Those are the dimensions on it. So I built one already. That's what it's going to look like. Our tray with the food area. And what I did was I cut 10 that are 24 3/4. I cut another 10 that are 21 1/4, and then I cut 5 that are 18 5/16 as the inner thing. This is the part for the food. But the rats are in. Five tubs. And it is doing good. Doing very good. Nothing exciting. Only thing that's exciting is this one. This one's exciting. The babies. And look at my little hairless rat. Hi, my little hairless rat. How are you? He's cute. It's Splinter. And these guys are nice. When I go in, I pet them, so they're all nice. I always pet Splinter. I always pet Splinter, so Splinter comes for pets already. Right, Splinter? Yes, and Mama comes in for pets too. You guys stay in there. So, looking good. Gotta deliver coming Wednesday, so I'll be getting some soft furs. And I made it a little bit more stronger. So that's nice and low to the ground. And then I added a 3-tier addition. So I use pizza rising boxes. This is where I'm going to use grow outs. So I'm going to grow out rats, mice, one for each size. I already got the mice in here. Nope, get back in there, buddy. I got 3 left. That's it. 3 lonely mice. So, there it is. Not bad. 6 tubs, good height. Oh, my male is being feisty in there. So right now all I have is actually grow outs up here. I got a mouse mama and her 6 babies. She's a little pissed because I keep on moving them. And then I got Russell, the muscle, and 2 girls. But there we have it, guys. I'm very happy with this one. This one came out beautiful. Now I'm going to do a whole pizza box racks eventually. Checking on the rats. Look at Splinter. Splinter. Splinter is the man. Is a girl, so I'm very happy. So here's my weanlings. Oh, sorry, I pinched somebody. Here's the weanlings. They're staying under there. They want no part of me. They're a little lost. They're without their mother. This one's empty. This will be for soft furs to grow out. And then up here I got some mice growing out. Only 3. That's it. So let's see. So this is a bin of ones that I've had. And as you can see, someone had babies today. Everybody looks good. Hi. Who had babies? Who's the mama? So we'll put that back. Alright. Russell's in here. Russell's a jerk. I don't know. It's kind of rough on the girls. Oh no, no more food, Jennifer. And here we have our African soft furs, and they're not vicious. They're small right now. They're probably the size of adult mice. Hi. Hi. I just want to pet. No, you don't need to get mad. I just want to pet you. No, you guys stay in there. So that's my boy, I think. No, that's a girl. Here comes Papa. Here's more. Soft furs. And then we got some pinkies in. And some fuzzies. So I got 2 pregnants, 3 mamas, and a bunch of pinkies. And then these 2 have been with Russell, so maybe they'll be pregnant. So that's rack 1, or rack 2. Now we'll go to the other rack. The top 2 are vacant. And here, I got a pregnant mom. I put her in here. I'm about to give her her own spot. Yeah, you know what? We'll give her her own spot. But I think 4 to 1 is enough. So, she'll go in there for the next colony. And what I'll do is I'll just hold back a male. This female, she's got this on her back, which worries me. She's pregnant, so once the babies come, unfortunately, I'm probably gonna have to euthanize her. Stay in there, and she's so sweet. That's what sucks about it. So that's a 4 to 1. I'm gonna do 4 to 1s for now. And then we got our smalls, which, to be honest with you, I think my weanlings are the same. Some of my weanlings are bigger. But they'll grow. They'll eat and they'll grow. So there's the 2 racks active. Let's give you a little update. Everything's good. I got room for more. So what I'll do is I'll probably buy some more rats next week. And I think I'm good on mice. I think I'm definitely good on mice. Excuse my garage, it's a mess. And now we have soft furs, so see how the soft furs go. But I'm happy. It'll be nice to not invest so much into food and just grow my own. Well, DMJ Reptiles, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment, message me. You can get me on Instagram, Facebook, wherever. I'd be more than happy to help anyone build one of these. All right. Thanks for watching. Later.